Country number 12 in our travels took us north to the land of fire and ice. While we came to Iceland to see the volcano, we missed it by 24 days when it capped in early September. Even without the volcano, there was plenty to see along the southern road, including glaciers, waterfalls, lava fields, and hot springs. But, let's be honest, we stayed for the sheep. Welcome to Iceland.
My crown popped off. So now I'm going to pack my little tooth away safely. I'm just really thankful that it didn't hurt, but I'm really shaky right now. Sucks. Roy's a good man. He waited for my bag for me because I had to pee so bad. So now we are in Denver and we're gonna head to the lounge. Huh?
Let's go get some food. 15.24 for 3.
Yeah.
31.
We do have that October 11th.
Okay. We have about 15 minutes before we're gonna head out of the lounge. Next stop, Chicago. All right, so this has been our trip so far. Number one, I can't hear anything. Number two, I knocked a crown out while I was eating a collagen gummy, thinking I was trying to be healthy. Number three, our flight out of Billings was delayed. And number four, our flight out of Denver is now delayed. I mean, only like 15 minutes, but that's how it begins. Okay.
Oh, it already has a tip in there.
Our flight is delayed, so we came here to a wine bar to kill about 30 minutes. So we both picked a glass of wine. I picked an $11 sparkling wine, you know, no big deal. And Roy's glass of wine was $20.
Yeah.
So for 2 drinks. Ouch. I guess he's stuck buying. I'm having one of those moments where I may have had one sparkling glass of wine too many. Oh my god, look at that dog! I love him. Oh god. I just want to eat him. I got locked out of a bathroom and in a bathroom all in the same stall. I went to go pee, and as I was peeing halfway through, the stall door just swung open, and then I spent the remaining pee holding it, and then I had to hold it with my hip and my elbow and every bit of me to keep it closed until the moment that I was ready to leave. Apparently it locked itself and I couldn't get it undone. And in that moment, my life flashed before my eyes, and I thought, this is it. This is the moment where I have to crawl out underneath a bathroom stall door in an airport. So, on top of my crown popping off, the first flight being delayed, the second flight being delayed, we have now reached the point where I got locked in and out of a bathroom. This is the slowest boarding we've ever been on. They boarded all of Group 1 and Group 2 without any breaks. It's hot. So hot on here. In here. We're about halfway through the tunnel. But we're boarding. Well, that was pretty wild. People were getting up and getting their bags before the plane even stopped. So, yeah, standing in the aisle. They had to threaten to stop the plane to get them to sit down. I guess there was a couple French people. And then they elbowed their way through to the front very rudely. It's pretty crazy. So wife fly through Chicago a lot. Roy's never been to this airport, which is really surprising to me. I thought we've flown through here before, but apparently not. One of the things I'm insisting on him doing is going through the Rainbow Tunnel. We're gonna go check it out. I'm really excited for him to see it.
So we don't have to go all the way through. I just wanted you to see it. This is so cool. I'm just gonna stop.
I don't know what that was. One last greasy cheeseburger. To not miss cheeseburgers until after we've ingested so much rotten shark meat. Can't stand it anymore. Oh my god. Every single flight today has been delayed.
Yep.
Woof. It's been our luck. So we're gonna hang out and hope it doesn't delay further.
Take my charger off.
They finally started boarding. Hopefully six short hours later we will be in Iceland. I hope so. I'm tired already. But silver lining of a camper van is that we can just take a nap in it. Which
It should be 2 a.m. back home.
why did you have to ruin it for me?
Well, so you'd be getting up to go around.
I hadn't done the math. Ooh, this is it. We're boarding our last flight out of the United States. Oh, gosh. Which is good because I'm really tired and I just want to take a nap.
We've made it onto our last plane. Roy is already picking out all of his movies because he's going to stay up all night. I am not. Probably going to listen to my book, take a nap, and try to beat jet lag.
Should just stay up.
No,
Be jet lag.
no. I've tried that before. It doesn't feel good. It hurts.